How to recover deleted project in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So in order to recover the deleted project in Capcut, first of all launch the Capcut application on your device over here. So let's launch the Capcut application and make sure you're logged into your account. So when you're logged into your account, then it becomes easier to recover the deleted project. So let's start the process. Now for that, what you simply need to do is tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen and make sure you do not clear the cache, because when you clear the cache, you tend to delete the projects that you have that you can recover in the CapCut as well. So what you can simply do over here is, if you are logged into your account, it will all be saved into your cloud space. So you can just tap on library, and here on the spaces you can see all your projects over here, and you can recover your deleted project as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.